Hi, in front of me is GIGASET GS190 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this GIGASET. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose security and location, click on screen lock over here and pick one of the login methods, swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with patterns, I have to click on it, pick one of the answers, draw it and click next. Now I have to repeat it, click confirm at the bottom right corner over here and pick one of the options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? I will go with hide sensitive content and tap done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!